operatives will ensure your security at all times. Due to localized biohazard risk, it is imperative you remain within the containment zone.
Evening, bit of quick piece for 2 seconds. Evening, how are we? Just come back from Blackpool and come to the Nemesis construction. Nothing really to see, nothing's actually happening.
On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform.
Evening. Just be quiet, will you, love, for a little bit, just while I talk. Oh, sub-terra's down. Yeah. Technical team are on site and working to resolve the situation. Yeah. So it's progressing quite well. I think there's been one more piece added there, and obviously one more piece there. That was done the day that I did the last one. So I just thought I'd do a quick Nemesis construction update, because I like doing my intro, you see, and making all the glitches. I might do that now, make it a bit glitchy for you. A bit of distortion, you know, as you do. So there you go, there's Nemesis.
This is a biohazard risk containment zone.
Will you just be
All
quiet?
hazardous material has been made safe for civilian viewing.
Alright, love. Chill your beans for a minute. Right, on that note, we'll catch you in a bit. Obviously, check out all the videos that are due to come on and gone on. This is a quick one that I'll slot in between for you. So that's Nemesis being retracked. Quick one for you. Get a bit of glitching, job done. Might be a few more clips, but I might just leave it at this. Who knows? There you go, get some ambient shots for you. See you in a minute. Ta-ra!
Phalanx operatives will ensure your security at all times. Due to localized biohazard risk, it is imperative you remain within the containment zone.
Phalanx operatives are resourceful.
Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you can see what I can see when I'm cleaning windows.